Slay mama, you the slay mama. For that curve and that shape, just a slay mama. You got me on overdrive. Complicating things just makes it worse.
Hey guys, and welcome back. So we're gonna get into these goddess braids today, and I can't wait. The last hair video that I did was on the passion twist, so make sure you check that out as well. Let's just get into the video. The hair that I will be using is this hair, so I've already stretched it. This is the hair that I'll be using. These are the colors. I'm not sure what colors these are, but I'll make sure to add them in on the screen so you guys can see what color I'm using. We're all set on that part. Since I want to make triangles and parting is gonna be hard, really hard, I decided to go with the rubber band. Ooh. I decided to go with the rubber band method only because I feel like it's gonna help me with the parting to hold my hair together. I usually do not recommend or like putting rubber bands in my hair, but today I will, just because I needed to help me. I'll make sure to moisturize the rubber bands, that way it does not damage my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the parting. Alright, so I'm gonna start from the back. So like I said, guys, I am not sure how the parting will go, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna really try to be as accurate as possible, because making triangles and not being able to see what the back looks like, I don't know how that's gonna go, but we are going to try. Hey guys, so I am almost done. I have just one more strand to go, and oh, I forgot to show you guys the curly hair that I'll be using. So this is the curly hair that I'll be using to make the ends of the goddess braids, and you know, the curly strands that go with it. I got this from the beauty supply store. I'm not sure what type of hair it is or what brand. Oh, it's the Janet collection. There's 3 packs in there, so that's good. So the length I think is 10 inches, so yes. That is the curly hair that I'll be using. I don't know if you can see it. Yep. So one more strand to go. And this is how I've been doing it. So I take my oil, my coconut oil, apply it, massage the scalp, and then I take my rubber bands, and because my hair is very thick, I take 2 rubber bands, and then I take this lotion spray, this it's coconut oil lotion spray, and I spray it onto the hair. Massage, and make sure that some oil gets on the rubber band so your hair stays moisturized. And then I just put the rubber band on it. Okay, and that's it. And that is it. I am done, guys. You guys, let me know how I did in the back. The parts in the back. How did I do? Allow me to know. So yeah, you guys, I tried my best. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding my hair. So excited. I'm gonna go ahead and start, and I'll be back when I'm almost done, when I have about maybe 2 to 3 more left, and I'll show you guys how I did it. I hope it turns out well. Wish me luck. Hey guys, and I am back a few hours later, and this is what it looks like. So just a few hours later, and that's where we are right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these two, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did this. This is how much hair I have left. I have that, and for this color, this is how much I have left, and for the curls, this is how much I have left. So for some of the braids, I mixed, let me see, I'm trying to show you an example. For some of the braids, I will mix the two colors. Some of the braids are single colors, like this one and this one. So I've just been mixing it. I also added a bit of gold or red or whatever. That color is done. I've already put too much of, I'm already done with this color, so I don't have any more hair for that color. It's already all in there. Now these two in the front, I want them to be like more of this color right here, this color right here. For this braid, I'm gonna add a little bit of blonde in there. So that's the hair, and I separate in half like this, and crisscross. Okay, and this is ready to braid. So here's how I do it. Separate this in the middle. Take the hair. Okay, so one side is holding one side of your hair, and the other side is holding the other, and there's this one which is gonna be in your hand, I guess, as you can see. And then you just start to twist. You just start to braid like this. Okay. Here you go. Okay, you're gonna braid and braid and braid. Okay, so it's up to you on where you want to stop putting in the curly hair. So I want it to be more like at the bottom for this one, so I'm just gonna keep on braiding. Okay, I think that's good. That's where I want my curl. So you take one strand of a curl, and because mine are like really short, they're only 10 inches long, I make one side longer than the other, and then I feed the curly hair into the braid. And then braid a few times, and then take the longer strand and separate it from the rest of the braid. So I'm just gonna put it in my mouth. And you just keep braiding down. Okay, when you're almost at the end, you take another piece of curly hair and you just feed it in and braid down. When you're out of like a strand, borrow hair from one long strand, just like that, and continue braiding. Okay, when you've reached the end of the actual braid, you take a small tiny piece of the curly hair and tie like a knot to secure it. Some people like to use glue, but I just prefer to tie it. And there you go, you have a goddess braid. Just like that, easy. I'll do this last one, I'm gonna let you guys watch, and we'll be done.
YDA, let's get it. Baby girl, you're a blessing, yeah. Come and give me blessings, yeah. Girl, I need my blessings, yeah. Soon as you enter the place, make 'em boys say, Lord have mercy. Feeling the way they shake, baby girl, you they give me blessings. Number one, no other girl come close to ya. Baby, show me some. When I touch it, it's intentional. See how they do me. I the craze for your body got me falling. I could be spending all my money on Louis. It's cause the way you do me, follow. Everywhere you day, I go follow. Never leave you solo. Girl, I love the way they go low. Baby girl, you're a blessing, yeah. You they give me blessings, yeah. Girl, I need my blessing, yeah. These are my confessions. Baby girl, you're a blessing, yeah. You they give me blessings, girl, I need my blessing. These are my confessions. So for me, surely Joe for me. Baby, can't you see? I'm the one you need. So for me, surely Joe for me. Baby, can't you see? I'm the one you need. Follow, everywhere you day, I go follow. Never leave you solo. Girl, I love the way they go low. Yeah. Baby girl, you're a blessing. Yeah, you they give me blessings. Yeah. Girl, I need my blessing. Yeah. These are my.
Okay, guys, and just like that, we are all done. So when you want to add like a strand at the beginning, this is what I do. I use this crochet. I insert the crochet on the root of the braid, and then I take the curly hair and attach it to the crochet, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it. So I put it inside the crochet, close, pull. Okay, and then I twist it around the braid on the root. You stay on the root, and then over here you tie it. You tie it under the braid, so on, like still on the root, as you can see. So that's how I add like a strand on the roots. And that is how you accomplish goddess braids. Just like that. So easy, so easy. Actually, I'm gonna go get ready, do my makeup, and I'll come back and give you guys a final review on this hair. I'll be back. I'm just gonna add some mousse to the hair just as the finishing touch, and we will be all set, honeys. Okay guys, I'm officially done. Tell me how it looks. I love it. I love this hair so much. Like, God. There's nothing bad to say about this hair. Like, it turned out exactly how I wanted. It's not too full, it's not heavy. I only used about 4 packs of expression, so that's good. That's really good. And yeah, I really like this style. Like, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. It's been so much fun making this video. Like, I'm loving this hair. And if you like it, let me know in the comments. And if you learned something, please subscribe, like, and comment this video, and also share it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching.